All right, here we got a one owner 8430 John Deere with excellent rubber. This tractor is a Powershift. It's got 1,000 PTO. We've got it listed at 305 horsepower, 7769 on the hours. I'm sorry, 7797 on the hours, a 2007 model. It does have active seat, auto track ready, 60 gallon per minute pump, ILS front axle. These tires on the front are brand new. It has the cold weather package, HID lights, full coverage rear fenders. She's weighted up, she's fully weighted in the front. These tires on the front are brand new, all across. Got the fenders. And these back tires on this tractor are 50s. 480 80R 50s, and they are every bit of, I would say, 80%, 75%, somewhere in that range. They're good tires. I see the mains are just a little below the duals, okay? Like I said, you have the 4 remotes, quick hitch, got the big inner wheel weights. This tractor is very, very nice all around. We'll do a walk around here, but I think she's pretty well all original. I would guess this hood's excellent. I would guess this hood's been replaced because most of these cracked, and this thing is beautiful. Matter of fact, we may have done that. So I think it was cracked when it came in. So it's got the new hood, right from John Deere. Does have an active seat. $77.99.6. We've used it a little bit since it came in, but very nice. Let's go ahead and check the 3-point PPO while we're doing it. On our lot, it is housed, it is inside. Keep the weather, the brake off of her, and she's a nice tractor. I know she's got a few more hours than some people want to see, but for her age, I think she's low houred anymore. Something pre-def, and I think ready to go.